A binational program is producing the Boxer Armored Transport Vehicle. It's a highly mobile wheeled vehicle with a modular architecture that allows for many mission-specific modifications. Hello, and welcome to another video from War Secrets. Today we'll be taking a look at the Boxer military vehicle. The Boxer is a multi-role armored fighting vehicle built by an international collaboration to carry out a variety of missions using mission modules that can be installed. As the Boxer program has progressed, the governments that have participated in it have changed. The Artec GmbH, Armored Vehicle Technology Industrial Organization, produces the Boxer vehicle, while AUKAR, Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation, manages the program. Krauss-Maffei, Wegmann, GmbH, and Rheinmetall Military Vehicles GmbH on the German side and Rheinmetall Defense Nederland BV on the Dutch side are the parent firms of Artec GmbH, which is situated in Munich. Rheinmetall owns a total of 64% of the joint venture. The vehicle's composition of a drive platform module and interchangeable mission modules, which allows for multiple configurations to satisfy varied operational requirements, is a distinguishing and unique characteristic. The Boxer is also known as GTK Boxer and MRAV Boxer. The Boxer is an 8-wheeled multi-role vehicle that easily outweighed and outsized most comparable vehicles at the time of its inception. In recent years, the size-weight disparity between Boxer and its contemporaries has narrowed significantly. With Boxer's combat weight estimated to be 36.5 tons in A1 and A2 configurations in 2017, compared to 35 tons for the ST Kinetics Teryx 3 and 32 to 33 tons for Nexter's VBCI, Parita's AMV, and General Dynamics Piranha 5. The Boxer's current combat weight in A3 configuration is estimated to be up to 38.5 tons. On the other hand, Artec conducted experiments with a 41-ton Boxer in December 2021. During trials, the vehicle, which was ballasted and lacked a mission module, spanned 2.2-meter gaps, climbed a 60-degree slope, and ascended a 1-meter vertical step. At the time, Artec Managing Director Stefan Lischka indicated that there were no actual client needs for such a large Boxer. The remote-controlled howitzer is the heaviest current iteration, weighing 39 tons. The platform driveline, the drive module, and the removable mission module are the two main components of Boxer. The wheels in the engine are housed in the drive module. It is also known as a driveline module or platform. The 8 iterations that Boxer is subjected to are unique to the driving module. The first production examples were A0 and only about 60 of them were delivered. A1 was the main production, followed by A2 in 2015. The current manufacturing standard is either A2 or A3 depending on the user. The A2-A3 hybrid will be delivered to Australia with the latest A3 drive module and the A2 standard engine rating of 711 horsepower. The driver is in the front corner of the platform drive module, while the power pack is on the left. The MTU Allison power pack may be replaced in the field in about 30 minutes and run outside the vehicle for testing purposes if necessary. The front 4 wheels steer in a full-time all-wheel drive Boxer. Suspension is independent all around with double wishbone coil springs. A central tire inflation system and run-flat inserts are installed, and the tires are either 415/80R27 or 415/80R685. Weapons, equipment, and crew are among the mission-specific elements found in the mission module. It is a crucial and one-of-a-kind aspect of Boxer. Mission modules are pod-like pieces that can be combined with drive modules to create a complete mission variation vehicle. Under field conditions, mission modules are connected by 4 points and can be swapped in under an hour. The driver can enter their compartment via the mission module or the massive single-piece power-operated hatch above this position in an emergency. The armament of Boxers ranges from 7.62mm light machine gun in a remote weapon station to a 30mm cannon in a turret. There are numerous armament options available. For self-defense, most in-service Boxers are outfitted with a remote weapon station. The Protector M151 RWS from Kongsberg is mounted on Dutch vehicles and is equipped with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun. The FLW-200 from KMW is commonly used on German vehicles, and it can be equipped with a 7.62mm MG3 machine gun, a 12.7mm M3M HMG, or a 40mm GMW automatic grenade launcher. The FLW-200 is equipped with dual-axis stabilization, a laser rangefinder, and a thermal imager. Lithuanian Boxers are equipped with the Rafael Advanced Defense System Samson NK2 RCT turret built in Israel, and they house a fully stabilized orbital ATK Mk44 30mm dual-feed cannon, 7.62mm coaxial MG, and Spike LR missiles. The turret has an independent commander sight with thermal and daylight channels for both the commander and the gunner. The Rheinmetall Lance 30mm two-man turret is mounted on Australian Boxer CRVs and is equipped with a Rheinmetall Mauser Mk32 ABM, air bursting munition, dual-feed stabilized cannon, and a 7.62mm coaxial MG. Turret traverse is fully electric with weapon elevation ranging from -15 degrees to +45 degrees. A Rheinmetall computerized fire control system is fitted, allowing for the engagement of both stationary and moving targets. The gunner is equipped with Rheinmetall stabilized electro-optical sighting system, which includes day thermal channels and an eye-safe laser rangefinder. The commander is equipped with a Rheinmetall SEOSS panoramic sighting system that allows for hunter-killer target engagements. The Boxer is made of rolled all-welded steel armor that can be fitted with the AMAPB module-based applique armor kit depending on mission threat assessments. The AMAPB modules are shock-absorbing mountings that are drawn from the IBD Deisenroth AMAP modular armor package. Boxer protection levels have now been classified in full. According to RTEC, the vehicle will withstand anti-personnel and massive anti-tank mines of an unidentified type under the wheel, platform, or side attack. Boxer's baseline armor is all-ground impervious to 14.5mm armor-piercing ammunition, according to STANAG 4569 Level 4, as previously stated. An AMAPL SPAL liner totally covers the crew compartment to maximize survivability in the event of armor penetration. The SPAL liner stops most armor and projectile fragments caused by hole penetration. The seats are separated from the floor to enhance crew protection further, avoiding the shock of a mine detonation from being directly communicated to the crew. The Boxer's roof armor is made to withstand artillery fragments and top-attack weaponry, such as bomblets with a high-explosive anti-tank warhead. The German BWB has labeled the Boxer Drive Module A1 as an enhanced version of the baseline A0 version of the Boxer Drive Module. The principal difference is in the addition of mine protection kit to the vehicle's belly and wheel stations. An extra armor package has been installed on the vehicle to protect it from side and underbody blast threats. The AMAPM and AMAP-IED packages are included. An undisclosed electronic countermeasure (ECM) equipment was also installed to counter IEDs. The A1 gains 1,058 kilograms in weight over the baseline A0 APC variation due to these alterations. Protection for the A2 Boxer is said to have been strengthened much more. Boxer's powertrain consists of an MTU AV199 TE20 diesel engine with 720 horsepower initially, and an Allison HD 4070 fully automatic transmission with 7 forward and 3 reverse speeds. Under field conditions, the power pack can be replaced in around 20 minutes. The MTU AV199 TE20 engine is a militarized version of the Mercedes-Benz OM500 truck engine, with alterations to MTU's turbocharger, fuel injection, and cooling systems to increase the power. The AV199 TE20 is now available in 2 power outputs, 711 horsepower or 805 horsepower, and the drive module is labeled A3 when equipped with the 600 kilowatt version of the engine. Boxer has 3 gasoline tanks with a total capacity of 562 liters, a 280-liter front tank, a 238-liter rear tank, and a 44-liter reserve tank. The front 4-wheel steer and the Boxer features full-time 8-wheel drive with differential locks on all axles. Michelin XML 415 ADR27 tires are used on German and Dutch Boxers. The Land 400 prototypes were equipped with Michelin X-Force 2 tires, which have a load rating of 500 kilograms per wheel higher than the XML, and they are more all-terrain in design than the Mudrox optimized XML. The 415 ADR 685 Michelin X-Force ZL is certified to carry 5,600 kilograms and will be the standard tire for Australian and UK Boxers. In the case of a puncture, a central tire inflation system (CTIS) is installed, and run flat inserts enable for 30 kilometers of mobility at up to 50 kilometers per hour. Not pneumatic ABS provides braking on all 4 wheels, with the front 2 axles receiving the most of the braking power. Double wishbone suspension with coil springs is entirely independent. The Airbus A400M tactical airlifter can transport Boxer, but not in one piece. The loading ramp of A400M with roughly 32 tons cannot hold the Boxer. Hence, the drive and mission modules must be separated for transport. 3 A400Ms can transport 2 Boxers, 2 for the drive modules and 1 for the mission modules. Germany, the Netherlands, Lithuania, Australia, and the United Kingdom are confirmed Boxer clients as of April of 2022. The Boxer's A0, A1, and A2 versions have all been manufactured and seen in service. The A3 configuration will be used on the UK Boxer. Australian deliveries are a mix of A2 and A3. So if you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Until then, stay tuned.